Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can open properties in Roblox Studio. So in here, you can see I already have a Roblox game I have here. See, you can scroll around to it, but you can see usually the properties tab is down here, right? But right now it's not available. So the way we can do this is by going on the upper part here on view, and on view, you can see there's a properties tab here. Now, if I click on it, you can see now it's toggled on like this, right? And you can see now there's a properties tab right here. Now, if I click on anything here, for example, like I click on this avatar right here, you can see now the appearance and the data and the properties are now set here, right? So there's the appearance, the data, the pivot, and the tags and all of these attributes, right? Now you can see if I click on anything else, the properties will change along with it. So it's like an editing software, if you know what that means. And things like this, you can see it can change based on what I click. If you don't like it here as well, you can click on this button to collapse it here like that. So now you don't see the properties anymore. If you don't like the Explorer, you can collapse it as well like that. If you want to uncollapse it, you could just click on the sidebar here. You can see now there's two sidebar, there's properties, and there's also Explorer. If you want to uncollapse it, just click on this button here, uncollapsed, and now we have an Explorer. And now we can just go to the properties as well, uncollapse it again, and now we have the properties tab back on its original place. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.